Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add requirements on role settings on your accounts on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click roles. Now here you'll find links, click on it. Here as you see you will find add requirements, click on it, and now you can add requirements easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.